Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Yes, guys, it is happening right now. I am going to take massive actions on my 33 million US dollar Bitcoin and altcoin trades. Right now, I have 2 million US dollar tether on the sidelines, which I want to deploy into specific altcoins. We are talking about everything. And towards the end of the video, I want to mention a new price target on Bitcoin, which basically got activated last night. Let's talk about everything. Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is a crazy update. This is what I've been waiting for a few days, and finally I'm here. I can talk about it. Let's go straight into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high if you are pumped about Bitcoin, if you are pumped about crypto, as I am finally getting pumped again after this small consolidation period we had. Smash up the like button and follow me down below. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about crypto. And yes, my trades, you can see it. Bitcoin, the XRP trade with $1.2 million realized profits, still open. Tron, still open, waiting for further upwards momentum. Sui, almost $600,000 is still open. But now look at this. The Bitcoin trade, I think this is the one we have to keep a very close eye on in the next few days. We have 17.5 million US dollars in unrealized profits, and the Ethereum trade also still open. Over on Levex, a quick update. The Tron trade is really the last one I opened just 2 days ago. I am still keeping it open. I am waiting for further upwards momentum on that one. XRP open and BNB open. Now let's talk about Bitcoin and therefore about altcoins, because I think the movements for Bitcoin will be a harbinger of what's to come for altcoins. And I prepared something for you. This, please, guys, keep a very, very close eye on this. First of all, I wanted to ask you. I told you I have like almost 2 million US dollar tether to deploy on specific altcoins. Leave your comments down below. Which altcoins should I buy? 1, 2, 3 maximum with this amount. Now, let me know. Let's open the discussion, and I want to take it into consideration just as I asked my Twitter followers. I want to ask you as well here. So now, look at this, guys. Bitcoin just broke previously this horizontal resistance on the weekly candles, right? What you can see, once we break it, we usually have 3 cycles ago, 8-month upwards momentum. Then 6-month upwards momentum in the last cycle. This time I'm expecting at least 4 or 5 months of upwards momentum, which would lead this bull market to end in February or March. Maybe less than some people think, but still, that means it's not the end yet. Something else I want to keep a very close eye on, and I will talk about my price targets, I will talk about new altcoin picks and everything. Stay here with me until the very end. But what you can see here is the 3 weekly candle for Bitcoin on the upside, and on the bottom you can see the stochastic RSI. And every single cycle you see we are getting overbought 2 times. We are getting these dips to the heavily overbought territory 2 times per cycle. We already went 1 time here on the right hand side. We went down recently with that 7-month consolidation, and now we are on the uprise. We didn't even reach the overbought territory on the 3 weekly RSI. I want you to understand what I'm saying. We did not even reach yet the overbought territory on the 3 weekly RSI. We are not overbought yet on the 3 weekly. And that is a crazy thing to think about. So we are talking about a potential multi-week bull market which is still in front of us. A potential multi-month, talking about 2 months at least, in my opinion. So now the question is, where will it end? How high can we go? And as always, Bitcoin is the harbinger for that. On the weekly candles, I want to shed some light on the weekly candles here, because look at the last 3 weekly candles. What do they have in common? Look at it. All of them have a big wick on the downside. This signifies significant buying power. It signifies also that weak hands were shaken out, but it signifies that the bulls are always coming back stronger and wiping out the bears. You see, every single dip was bought up like a masterclass, like crazy. And this week, the same thing again. You have almost an inverse empire here on this candle. I want to call this bullish. Something else I want to call bullish is the last daily candle close, which was the highest daily candle close in history for Bitcoin. Right here. So we have a few bullish things actually coming together. Saying this at an all-time high always sounds a little bit weird, or feels a little bit weird for me as a conservative investor, kind of conservative in crypto terms, I want to say. But this is just how it goes for Bitcoin. And yes, we already hit my first target. So yes, if you have a trade, profit-taking area is happening at the moment. But I already took $5 million in profits, but I'm keeping the most part open because I think the biggest move is yet to come. And that is the break from this cup and handle here. This is the cup and handle. Breaking out from here was leading us to a move which potentially will end at least for this target at 125,000 US dollars. And this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is my next profit-taking area. 125,000 US dollars. And you all know what it means. If Bitcoin goes up 20%, what that means for the altcoins. That is why I am still in all of my altcoin positions on leverage. But on spot also, I'm still holding my SUI, which I was calling 5 weeks ago, which I was calling 2 months ago, which I was buying first time at $1. We are almost at $5 now. I am still holding half of my XRP, half of this $10 million profit position I opened and called on XRP at 60 cents. I actually took these profits and I put a majority of that over into Tron, which I am also still holding. I am also still holding multi-million US dollars in Dogecoin and in many other altcoins, which I will update you on here very, very soon in the next altcoin update. This is mainly a Bitcoin update because this is what we have to focus on right now. It's always Bitcoin first and then the altcoins. Also, of course, please guys, remember one thing. If you are here with me, I want to let you know, wait, where is it? I don't think I have it here, but actually in the pinned comment down below, I will leave you 2 links, a Bitunix link and a Levex link. Both of them no KYC if you want to trade. But more importantly also, if you want to see my trades live, when I open my next trade, when I want to disclose in absolute real time, I will do that also on YouTube, but in real time only on Levex. What altcoins I am buying, what 3 altcoins I'm buying or 2 altcoins I'm buying with a lot of volume. I will disclose that over on Levex. The link is down below. You can sign up for free. You don't even have to deposit to see my content. You just sign up with my link and you follow me. You just type it in the search engine, follow MMCrypto on Levex, and you will see all my exclusive posts. You can claim up to 5,000 US dollars on Bitunix as a free bonus with a deposit, and up to 5,000 US dollars in a free trade on Levex also as a deposit bonus. Links are down below if you're an experienced trader. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye.